Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use violet bloom. First, ensure your plant receives ample bright, indirect light for 10 to 16 hours each day. If using artificial lights, place them approximately 10 to 12 inches above the plant's leaves. Proper lighting is absolutely crucial for stimulating flower production and maintaining vibrant foliage, helping your violet thrive and produce beautiful blossoms consistently throughout the year. Next, proper watering is absolutely key for a thriving violet. Always use room temperature water, allowing the top 1 inch of soil to dry before watering again. Avoid getting water on the leaves to prevent unsightly spotting. African violets also love humidity, ideally between 40 and 80%. You can achieve this by grouping plants or using a pebble tray, which helps buds develop and open fully and beautifully. For healthy roots and abundant blooms, select the right potting mix and pot size. Your violet needs a loose, well-draining, slightly acidic soil, often a blend of peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite. Pot size is also important. Choose one that is roughly 1/3 the diameter of the plant's leaf span. This slight root-bound condition encourages more flowering. Finally, consistent feeding and maintenance will keep your violet blooming. Fertilize weekly with a diluted, balanced formula like 20-20-20 or one higher in phosphorus. Always remove spent flowers and any yellowing or damaged leaves. This redirects the plant's energy towards producing new, vibrant blooms, ensuring a continuous display of color.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.